Ever pondered the process of choosing the most suitable battery for your smartphone to ensure a long life? It's a question that's more important than you might initially consider, especially in today's world that's increasingly reliant on mobile technology. The solution involves comprehending smartphone battery specifications and understanding how to leverage them for your benefit. First off, we need to decode the term battery specifications. Basically, these are the technical details of a smartphone battery, including its type, capacity, voltage, energy density, and discharge rate. Each of these aspects has a significant impact on determining the lifespan of your smartphone's battery. First off, contemplate the battery type. While there are various types of batteries available, such as nickel-cadmium, lead-acid, and many more, for smartphones we usually use lithium-ion batteries. Each type carries its own set of pros and cons. For example, lithium-ion batteries are recognized for their high energy density and long lifespan, making them especially suitable for devices like smartphones and laptops. Next, shift your attention to the battery capacity. For smartphones, this quantified in milliamp hours, mAh. A greater capacity signifies that the battery life will be extended between charges. Voltage is another crucial aspect to keep in mind. In terms of smartphones, this can be seen as the electrical pressure or force that propels the current through the circuit. A battery with a higher voltage could provide more power. However, the voltage should ideally line up with the smartphone's specifications, as an excessive amount could potentially harm the device if it's not designed to handle such a pressure. Energy density is a measure of how much energy a smartphone battery can store in a given volume. Batteries with a high energy density will last longer and are generally more efficient, but they can also be more expensive. Lastly, take into account the discharge rate. The discharge rate refers to the pace at which a smartphone battery is able to release its hoarded energy. A higher discharge rate implies that the battery can supply power more rapidly, but it would also deplete quicker. To summarize, choosing the best battery for your smartphone involves understanding and carefully considering a range of specifications. It's about finding the right balance between the type, capacity, voltage, energy density, and discharge rate to suit your smartphone's specific needs. Remember, the battery type will determine the overall characteristics of the capacity, will give you an idea of the battery's lifespan between charges. Voltage should match your smartphone's requirements to avoid energy density, will tell you how efficient the battery is, and the discharge rate will determine how quickly the battery can deliver its stored energy. So, the next time you're looking to purchase a smartphone battery, don't just pick the first one you see. Take a moment to understand these specifications. It's not just about getting the most powerful battery, but rather finding the one that will provide a long life for your smartphone. After all, a well-chosen battery is the key to a smartphone that's always ready when you need it.